Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. If your Wi-Fi disappeared after updating Windows 11, don't worry. I'll show you some quick fixes to get you back online. Let's get started. First, press the Windows logo key and are on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Next, type services.msc and hit Enter. Then, in the Services menu, scroll down and find WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click on WLAN AutoConfig and select Properties. In the Properties window, set the startup type to Automatic and click Apply, then OK. This step doesn't work, don't worry. Let's move on to the second method. Now open Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Next, expand Network Adapters, then find your Wi-Fi adapter and right-click on it, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall. Finally, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the Wi-Fi device. That's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the Wi-Fi icon issue in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.